Okay, this is everything that comes with your smart bird feeder, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to put it together. It's pretty simple. This right here is going to snap onto here, so you just slide it on there like that, and all you got to do is push it, and now it's on, right? This here is a little tricky. You've got this little thing here. If you look, there's a little passageway here where this slides in, and then this one here, you've got to put that on first. And then if you look here, you're going to see there's this and this here. So that's how it's going to go on. Let me show you. So what I first want to do is, I think that's got to go, to open it, you go like this. So this side is going to be placed right over this little nut right here. Okay, so I'm going to go like that. So let me show you. I'll get up a little bit closer. So I'm going to get that in that little spot there. And I'm going to try to keep this up on top here. And then I can pull that one right there in, like this. You see that? Now that's set. Now this is going to go out to the back here. And what you're going to do is you're going to connect it here. You see that? So we got to push that in there. Bam, done. All right, so that's basically your bird feeder right there. Now it's ready to go. This part right here, you pull off and the seeds fall out. To put the seeds in, you dump them in here. You follow me? You dump them all in there. And then you pop this off, and then they can come out here and the birds can eat them. Now you can also put this stuff in here like that, right? And then these you can screw in here like this. See that? There's like one. And if you look, you see the little thing there. And then if you look on here, you're going to see that they have these little doohickeys that you can put it into. Now, I don't know if I really want to have this on here, but I'll go ahead and put it on there so you can see. So you got to kind of like righty-tighty it, right? And it should screw in. Like that. Bam, done. All right, so once you've got it all put together and you want to mount it, there's two ways you can do it. You can mount this right here on a tree or a fence or whatever. You know, you screw it in here, it sits like that. Then this would go like that, right there like that. And then you would screw it in with one of these doohickeys down here. You could even use this. I mean, if you wanted to, I think. Well, yeah, you can. So you just go like this. See that? But what I'm thinking is that I'm going to use this with a pole and then take one of these right here, one of these doohickey-mookies, and then lock it into a pole, and then just let it sit out straight out there in the middle of the yard. You know what I mean, jelly beans? I could do it that way. I'll just leave that on there for now. Or I could just, you know, do it this way. So it's up to you guys how you want to do it. Now you do have to download an app. It does come with all this extra stuff. You know, jelly beans. These are Phillips heads. And they did give you this. But you're going to need you're going to need more than just that, I think. But basically that's it right there. And now we just got to open this up and load up the app so that we can use the camera. And then it's also got to get charged. So this is the quick start guide, and it kind of shows you here. You know, you got to put a micro SD card in there. And I got to look and see if I don't think they gave us one. They might have. But anyway, it kind of shows you all what you have to do. And then you can start, you know, doing your thing with your birds. So let's see if we did get a micro SD card with it. Nope, didn't get that. Nope, not there. Not there. So you don't get a card with it. So you're going to need a card. But yeah, bam, Bob's your uncle. Let's do this.